Hello friend, today I am going to inform about the job naukrigulf.com. So this is opening document controller project secretary. The company name is Kooheji Contractor Corporations. So you can apply like login, apply, register, apply like this, But I think you need more time. So you need around minimum 5 to 10 year experience in Saudi Arabia and a graduation degree. Okay, so you just apply here, apply without registration. Okay, just click here. I will give the link in my description. You can there also, you can see also, type naukrigulf.com. So enter your name here and email ID. Okay, and nationality, current locations, experience, monthly salary. Okay, entry and designations. What is your designation? Key skills, what do you expertise? Okay, just write Excel, PowerPoint, blah blah blah, and put it your CV, update here, and then apply here. Okay, so yesterday also I found, so just trying to find searching job and if some company, my friend, if any recommend, so I will try to help you. Like most of the friend, Mr. Usman, right? One guy also looking, he's good man. He just give me the comments, WhatsApp, trying to help because he need badly job also, and some my friend also need. So I'm trying to helping the people. So before I sleep, I make this video. So let's see, and then I just make type, and then the other you will watch country video, so they will tell you all the details of this company, what is this one. So see you next video. Thank you.